Hello my dear fellow collectors, welcome back to Busy Bee from Germany. I'm Busy Bee from Germany. This is my little channel. We do Barbie repairs here, and now let's have a look back into the year 2024 and see the top 5 Barbie repairs for this year. So, my number 5 is the underdress from acid-free silk paper. I know it's not a classical repair, but I wanted to give this repair the number 5 because it's useful and we don't want the Barbie clothes to melt to the body, and that's why I think it's useful, and that's my number 5 for this year. My number 4 for this year is the Spanish Loving You Reroot. Maybe you remember we did this in the summer of 2024 when I repaired her with a partial reroot. A part of her hair was gone. She's a Spanish Barbie, and it's normal for Spanish Barbie that somehow a part of the hair disappears over the years. And I wanted to restore this here to her former glory. I wanted to restore this doll to her former glory, and I showed you how I did this in the summer of 2024. So that's my number 4 for 2024. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up. My number 3 is the reflocking of this number 1 Ken, because I like to reflock the early Kens. I'm so sad when I see them without hair that I want to give them new hair immediately, and that's what I did with him. I found him in the beginning of this year and I decided to give him new hair over the year, and that's what I did. In summer 2024 he got new hair and he's looking like he's fresh from the production from Mattel. Isn't he? Let me know in the comments below. So that's my number 3, the reflocking of a number 1 Ken. Let me also know, have you already done a reflocking of a number 1 Ken? I'm curious. So the next project I did with more effort was to reroot this Francie. You know, I wanted to do this for several years, but I had problems to find the right head. I had the body bought in 2021 or 2022 and I needed a head, and it was so hard to find a head for the body. And I finally did this year. Super glad about this. I found the head in spring and I wanted to give her a reroot in a tone that we don't have in the regular Playline Francie dolls, so no brown and no blonde, and I decided to give her a cognac color. Isn't she great with her cognac color? She has no special hairstyle yet, but this gives me the flexibility to style her as I wish. My Francie here is my number 2 project for 2024. I hope more will come along the way, that we can do more Francie Reroots. You know, I'm a Francie lover. So my number 1 is the repair of this Ponytail Barbie, number 6. I did this in summer 2024, like the other repairs, and I think the repair went very well. I'm satisfied. She only needs new arms, but I have not managed to find new arms, but I got the offer from someone to send me new arms for her. But this will have to wait until January because I'm away in December and not at home. So they can't be delivered in December, but it's no problem, I think. What do you think about this repair? Let me know in the comments below. Was this also your number 1? My dear viewers, I hope you like my top 5 repairs for the year 2024. And you also do some repairs. You use the techniques you see here in the videos and you learn about them. And adults, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more new videos. Stay tuned and see you very, very soon. Your Busy from Germany. Bye! Hello my dear fellow collectors. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to present you the top 5 Barbie repairs of the year